So now, dear children, I am going to start the chapter 5 and its first paragraph. I have told you about chapter 5 full introduction I have given you in the previous video. Now I am going to read the first paragraph of this chapter. In the chapter 4, we have read how in the early Vedic period the Rajan was chosen by the Jana. Jana means the people. So in the chapter 4, we have read how the Rajan was chosen by the Jana, but around 600 BCE, changes took place in the manner in which these Rajans were chosen. Some men now became Rajans by displaying their military prowess. Prowess means extraordinary bravery or ability, especially in combat or battle. So at that time, many people became Rajans by displaying their military prowess. So many other people also came into power by showing their prowess. Prowess means the extraordinary bravery or ability, especially in combat or battle. Promising to protect their subjects. Subjects means the people. Promising to protect their subjects and by performing big sacrifices. So in the chapter 4, we have read about so many sacrifices. And the most common sacrifice performed by the powerful kings was the Ashwamedha sacrifice or the horse sacrifice. Ashwamedha. Ashwa means ghoda, that is horse. So it was the Ashwamedha sacrifice or the horse sacrifice. So what was that? In the connect to history portion, it is full given what was that. What was Ashwamedha sacrifice? So I am going to read this what was it, and after that I will tell you it in Hindi. The Ashwamedha or the horse sacrifice was the most important royal ritual mentioned in the Vedic texts. So in the Vedas it is mentioned properly about this Ashwamedha sacrifice. Then only we came to understand about that. Otherwise we don't know about this. It was conducted by a king to showcase his military strength. So it was conducted by a king to show off his military strength. How we will see now. A horse, that is a stallion horse, male horse was set loose to roam around for a period of 1 year. So that one horse was set loose to roam around for 1 year. If the horse wandered into the kingdoms of other kings and they stopped it, they had to fight the king whose horse they had stopped. If they allowed the horse to pass, it meant that they accepted the authority of the Raja who performed the sacrifice. This sacrifice was an occasion for the king to receive many gifts from the neighboring kings who came as spectators. The king's chief queen or Mahisi played a significant role in this ritual. So we all know at that time so many sacrifices were performed and the most common was the Ashwamedha. अब इसमें क्या होता है, एक horse होता है, male horse. It was set loose to roam around for a period of 1 year. 1 साल के लिए उसे खुला छोड़ दिया जाता है. और if the horse wandered into the kingdoms, और जिन आसपास के kingdoms में वो घूमता है of other kings, अगर उन्होंने उसको रोक लिया, इसका मतलब है कि वो उस राजा से जिसने उसको छोड़ा है उससे फाइट करना चाहते हैं. तो फाइट में जो जीतेगा उसकी ही किंगडम हो जाएगी. लेकिन अगर किसी ने उसे नहीं रोका, इफ़ दे अलाउड द हॉर्स टू पास, इसका मतलब है दे एक्सेप्टेड द अथॉरिटी ऑफ द राजा. इसका मतलब है कि उस राजा की अथॉरिटी उस किंगडम पर जिनकी किंगडम है उन्होंने मान ली है और वो अपनी किंगडम उस राजा को देने के लिए तैयार हैं. दिस सेक्रीफाइस वॉज एन ओकेजन फॉर द किंग टू रिसीव मैनी गिफ्ट्स फ्रॉम द नेबरिंग किंग्स हु केम एज स्पेक्टेटर्स. और इस सेक्रीफाइस से उस किंग को बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स भी मिलते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अदर किंगडम्स. जिस किंगडम्स में वो हॉर्स घूमेगा और अगर उस राजा ने उसको नहीं रोका जिसकी किंगडम है, इसका मतलब है कि उसने वो अपनी किंगडम उस राजा को दे दी जिसका वो हॉर्स है. और अगर उसने रोक लिया है, इसका मतलब कि वो उससे फाइट करना चाहता है, वो अपनी किंगडम उसको नहीं देना चाहता है। तो क्या होता था, बहुत सारे राजा हॉर्स को रोकते नहीं थे क्योंकि उनको लगता था कि ये राजा हमसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल है और ये हमें हरा देगा, इसलिए वो उसको हॉर्स को निकलने जाने देते थे। द किंग्स चीफ क्वीन, और उसकी जो चीफ क्वीन होती थी दैट इज़ नोन एज माहिसी, she played a significant role in this ritual. So it was the Ashwamedha sacrifice, and it was the most common sacrifice performed by the powerful kings. Mostly only the powerful kings who had full confidence that their army is very powerful, they can fight with others, they only perform this Ashwamedha sacrifice. So dear children, it was the Ashwamedha sacrifice and you should know it properly. So you read this paragraph by yourself once more.